Today's video is all about how to end erectile dysfunction naturally and permanently. Assuming you always experience erectile dysfunction, I am going to share with you some things you will always be doing in order to end erectile dysfunction permanently and naturally. Today's video is going to look somehow similar to my previous videos, but it is a special advice to all men that experience erectile dysfunction. Assuming that you have gotten results when you took drugs to get rid of erectile dysfunction and that drug didn't last for a long time, you were disappointed by some drugs and other things you have done in order to end erectile dysfunction. But if you can keep doing what I am going to share in today's video, you will end that erectile dysfunction as long as you keep doing and avoiding some things that I am going to share with you. Do not mind, it might be what you have had before, but see it as my special advice so that you will maintain a good erection and terminate erectile dysfunction in your life permanently and naturally. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. If you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, because I myself, Kenneth Os, I make videos specifically for men, men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So be a member of this channel to get notified anytime I publish video about men. Now, how are you going to end erectile dysfunction permanently and naturally? All you have to do is to start with number one: avoid being infected. If you can avoid being infected, you can never experience erectile dysfunction. Infection is one of the things that cause erectile dysfunction in male. So if you can avoid being infected of bacteria or fungal diseases, you will always be the best you want, because infection, be it fungi or bacteria, disrupts your immune system, and that your immune system is what helps you to get a good erection. So if you can avoid being infected of any kind of diseases, you will always have a good erection. Number two thing that you need to be doing in order to end erectile dysfunction is run away from added sugar. Run away from taking added sugar. Maybe whenever you want to drink tea or coffee or anything that requires sugar, if you want to maintain a good erection and terminate erectile dysfunction forever in your life, run away from added sugar. Number three is be consistent on taking fruits and vegetables. Always be consistent to consume fruits and vegetables. If you are a man, you really want to maintain a good erection throughout your life, be consistent on taking fruits and vegetables. These two things are very important, and this is my special advice to terminate erectile dysfunction forever in your life. So on how you experience erectile dysfunction, I will advise you from today henceforth, be consistent on taking fruits and vegetables in order to boost up your immune system and to also build up your immune system. A good immune system helps in body performance. A good immune system aids in blood flow, blood circulation, and all these things will come when you adopt taking fruits and vegetables consistently. So if you really want to maintain a good erection and terminate that erectile dysfunction, Adopt taking fruit and vegetable consistently. Make it a habit. Make it your lifestyle. Adopt it and embrace it. It will help you as a man, and it will always make you to be the best you want. Your immune system will grow with fruit and vegetable. Your immune system, both your sperm counts, your health as a man will improve if you can only adopt taking fruits and vegetable consistently. The reason why you did not get a long time erection is because you give up, or you gave up taking fruits and vegetable. So if you can be consistent on taking fruits and vegetables, you will always have a good erection. Number 4 and the last is always stay positive and be happy. What do I mean by staying positive? Staying positive is to do things at moderate. Things, do not overstress yourself, do not overwork, do not do anything that will disorganize your body system or disrupt your immune system. And always be happy, because when you are happy, that is when your whole body system will be at the best stage of life. So if you really want to end erectile dysfunction naturally and permanently, adopt these 4 things. So this video is my special advice on how to terminate erectile dysfunction permanently. Practice them or apply them in your real life. You will see that you can never experience erectile dysfunction. So this is what I want to share in today's video. If you really get value from watching this video and you enjoy watching this video, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching this video. I love you all. If you have anything you want me to make video on, drop it in the comment section below. We all are brothers. I will do my best to attend to your question, or to do the video, or any research you want me to do for you. Drop it in the comment section below. Please, I really want the best for men. That is why I am doing all this. I want the best for all men globally. That is why I am doing all this. So thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.